In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier with Microsoft Excel as the trigger using the new row event. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to zapier.com. Once the page loads, make sure you are signed in to your Zapier account so you can access the automation builder without interruptions. After you're on the main dashboard, look for the option that says Create Zap and click it. This opens the Zap editor, which is where you'll build the automation step by step. At this point, you're setting up the beginning of your workflow, also known as the trigger. The trigger is the event that tells Zapier when to start the automation. In this case, the source application you want to use is Microsoft Excel. So in the Trigger App search area, type Microsoft Excel and select it from the list of available apps. Choosing the correct app here is important because it tells Zapier exactly where it should monitor for changes. After selecting Microsoft Excel, the next part is choosing the trigger event. This is the specific action inside Excel that will launch your Zap. From the list of available trigger events, choose New Row. This means your automation will run whenever a new row is added to the Excel spreadsheet you connect later in the setup process. This is a useful option if you're tracking incoming data in a spreadsheet and want Zapier to respond automatically each time a new entry appears. For example, teams often use this kind of trigger when collecting records, form submissions, or updates in a shared workbook. By using New Row, you're making sure the automation reacts to fresh data as soon as it becomes available. As you go through the setup, take a moment to confirm that Microsoft Excel is selected as the trigger app and that New Row is selected as the event. Small setup details like these matter because they determine when and how your automation runs. If the wrong trigger event is chosen, the Zap may not behave the way you expect. Once these selections are in place, you've completed the initial trigger setup and you're ready to move forward with the rest of your automation. This foundation is what allows Zapier to watch your Excel data and respond whenever a new row is created. That's it for this part of the setup. You now know how to open Zapier, create a new Zap, set Microsoft Excel as the trigger source, and choose New Row as the event that starts the automation.